My gift is small. Her gift is big and very beautiful. Oh no! Look, Tom! Grandpa's house!
Wow, it is very big.
Let's go, everyone.
You look nice, Anna. I have a big gift.
Grandpa will love it.
My gift is small. Hurry up, Tom.
Knock, knock.
Is Grandpa home?
Hello, my family.
Hello, Grandpa. Happy birthday, Grandpa.
Thank you, Anna.
This is for you, Dad.
Oh, beautiful fruits. How are you, Tom?
I am fine, thank you.
Come in, please. Let's go inside.
Wow, cool house. Look at the balloons.
Look at the cake. Whew.
It looks yummy.
My gift is ready.
Good job, Anna.
Her gift is big and very beautiful. My card is bad. I don't like it.
Here is your juice. Thank you, son.
Let's put the candles. 1, 2, 3.
It is party time.
Yes, it is. I am so happy.
We love you.
I cannot do it. I am scared. This is for you, Grandpa.
Oh, wow. A blue scarf.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it very much. It is nice.
Where is Tom?
I don't know.
Tom, where are you? Tom, come here.
Tom, wait!
I will find him.
Okay.
Anna, come with me.
Yes, Dad.
Is he okay?
He is fine, Dad.
Let's go up.
Be careful.
Run! Run! I must hide.
Oh no. It is broken. I am so sad. Go up.
Tom, are you there? Look, Anna.
A red pencil.
He is up there.
Let's go.
Open the door.
Quietly.
Wow, it is bright.
Where is he? I see him.
Hello, Tom.
Go away.
What is wrong?
Nothing.
Please tell me.
I have no gift. Yes, you do. Where is your card? Look. It is broken. It is a drawing.
Huh. It is you and Grandpa.
Grandpa.
It is very beautiful.
No, it is ugly. Anna's gift is big. My gift is small.
Size does not matter. Love matters.
Look what I have. Tape! Let's fix it.
Good idea.
Put it here. Okay, I see. It is fixed. Yes, it is.
Are you ready?
Yes, Dad. I want to see Grandpa. Let's go down. I am brave. Yes, you are. Breathe in, breathe out.
We are back.
Tom!
Are you okay? I am okay, Mom. Grandpa,
Come here, little Tom.
I have something.
What is it?
Happy birthday, Grandpa. This is for you.
Oh, a card.
It is broken a little. I am sorry.
It is you and me. I love it.
Do you like it?
Yes, very much. This is the best gift. It is from your heart.
You did great, Tom. Thank you, Anna.
Give me a hug.
Yes, Grandpa. I love you, Grandpa.
I love you too, Tom.
Let's eat cake!
Yay!
Yay!
Who wants a piece?
Me, please.
Here is your cake, Dad.
Thank you.
It is sweet. It is yummy.
This is a great day. Yes, it is. My scarf and my card. I am a happy grandpa.
I am happy too. Me too.
Look here, everyone. Smile! Cheese!
Perfect picture.
You are a good boy, Tom.
Thank you, Grandpa. I love family time.
Family is important.
Nice drawing.
I will draw more. Happy birthday!
Thank you all.
Learn English with Slow English Family. Bye-bye.